जितने स्टाइलिश आप रियल लाइफ में हो, everybody looks up to you. You're such a glamorous heroine in the industry. But जिस तरह के roles आप select करते हो, so much simplicity. कोई खास वजह है इसकी?
जी, आपका नाम क्या है?
Hi, this is Akanksha from UTV Star.
Where are you, Akanksha?
You won't be able to figure out.
Yeah, I won't be able to figure out. But मैं purposely ऐसे roles choose नहीं करती हूँ जो मैं अपने real life में हूँ, वो तो मैं films में नहीं हो सकती हूँ. So I think after a while I've done something like this, but it's quite nice not to take more than 15-20 minutes to get ready in the morning after a shower. So I think because of that, because कम time लगता है ready होने में, इसलिए मैं करती हूँ.
Hi Dhanush, this is Aarti from NewsX. Dhanush, how difficult was it to get the entire Hindi accent? It's your first Bollywood movie.
Hello, I don't think I actually got it yet. Tried my best. It was tough, of course. There are a lot of sounds that's not there in Tamil. So I found it tough. I'm still finding it tough. Hopefully I'll live up to Anand sir's expectation and of course all of yours too. Which one? I can't say it, but it'll have. I can tell you one dialogue from the film. Hindi? My Hindi is better than that. I'll tell you one dialogue from the film. But you promise me you won't ask me to say anything more. Okay? You forget me.
सोनम, धनुष की तो हिंदी हमने देख ली. आलोक फ्रॉम OFM आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में स्पीकर के पास. सवाल ये है कि आपने कुछ भोजपुरी वगैरह सीखा है, क्योंकि वाराणसी बनारस भोजपुरी के भी नाम से जाना जाता है. आप स्कूल की लड़की बनी है 2 चोटियों में. कुछ खास भोजपुरी शब्द?
जी नहीं, मैं एक मुस्लिम लड़की का किरदार निभा रही हूँ, तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. मुझे बिल्कुल, मैं तो सिर्फ हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ. हिंदी फिल्म है, बॉलीवुड फिल्म है, तो जितना कर पाए हूँ. और हिमांशु ने ऐसे कोई डायलॉग्स नहीं लिखे हैं ना. हिमांशु, जरूरत नहीं थी ना भोजपुरी सीखने के लिए. ये दूसरी काइंड ऑफ, आप, आई थिंक दिस इज अ डिफरेंट फिल्म यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
ओके धनुष, एक अवार्ड फंक्शन में आपने बहुत ही इम्प्रॉम्प्टू से एक तरीके से मिस्टर बच्चन के लिए कोलाबेरी टी मिक्सर में बनाया था. कुछ ऐसा कुछ तैयार किया था आपने सोनम के लिए, उनको इम्प्रेस करने के लिए कुछ तरीके से?
No, nothing like that. I don't think I'm here for that. But she definitely deserves something like that. Her beauty definitely deserves something like that.
तो आपने सोचा नहीं अभी तक? कुछ अगर अभी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू हो जाएगा कुछ भी कोलाबेरी टी की लाइंस में, क्योंकि सोनम भी वैसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे आपके तरफ से.
I'm very sorry. I'm still yet to learn Hindi. Can you be a little slower, or can you translate that for me?
Okay, is it possible that you can make an impromptu song right now for Sonam Kapoor on the lines of kolaveri tea? Yeah, you're thinking. I think you can make it.
Don't put me in this kind of spot. You ask me anything about the film or anything to do with the film.
Okay, but
If at all I have to say something also. Sing, no?
Yeah. It's for you. It's for you.
This is for Zoya.
Okay, the character. What about Sonam?
पहला नशा पहला हुआ नया प्यार है नया इंतजार. That's it.
Hi Sonam, Sasha here from Hot Your. Hi. Sonam, I've seen the trailer and I see that Dhanush is actually stalking you, throughout the film. So I kind of want to know, when you were young, you were in school, did you face anything as such? And same thing goes to Dhanush as well.
When I was in school, if I was followed by boys. Apparently I was, but I don't remember. I mean, I didn't realize it though when I was younger, because I grew up with 6 brothers. So they're all like, you know how Arjun looks and his height and all, and then there's Mohit, and there are I have some 4-5 brothers who used to surround me all the time. and they were all my age, so I never realized it. I was very protected, but apparently I was. And I remember during Valentine's Day, and we had something called Rose Day as well. My desk used to be filled with those things, and you know, like all of that. But I never realized it, especially when I was in school.
Was it difficult playing that character?
Every character is difficult, but I think Zoya is the closest to what I am in real life, so it wasn't that tough. It was just about being honest.
Okay, Dhanush, what about you?
No, but I'm the baba of all stalkers. I stalk the girl.
So it was kind of easy for you to play the character.
Very easy. Whatever I did 10 years back, I just really performance, which I thoroughly enjoyed.
Lovely.
No offense to anybody.
Thank you so much.
By the way, the girl I stalked thoroughly enjoyed my stalking, okay?
Good evening. Hi, good evening. This is Vikram Thapa from NDTV. To your right, Sonam and Dhanush. Okay, I mean, stalking, there's a lot of stalking happening. It's not cool in today's generation. And this film, really, stalking is not cool.
But he isn't stalking me, he's following me. And when
following and stalking are not the same thing.
No, it's different because this girl is aware of it and she's allowing it. And she wants him to follow her around. There's a difference when someone wants the attention and when someone doesn't want the attention. She wants the attention.
Okay. No, because he used the term stalking.
Yeah, because it's a generic. He's actually just repeating the question that was asked. So yeah, there have been people who have followed, but stalking it's not a negative connotation.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
Most welcome.
Dhanush, my next question is to you. You chose a...
I think, sorry, just that stalking thing. I think you have to watch the film to understand the context in which it's not stalking in that dangerous, sinister way in which, unfortunately, we read about it in the papers all the time.
There can be only one way of stalking.
Maybe
which
stalking
is dangerous.
Stalking is a wrong choice of word then.
Yeah,
I think stalking is a wrong choice of
Thank
word
you.
then.
So, sorry, Dhanush, my next question is to you. Why did you choose a film like this one? It's out of Varanasi. It's a core Hindi belt. You could have chosen a urban Mumbai film where the boy is maybe a Tamil. We see that all the time. But here, it's not so. Why would you choose such a difficult subject for this one?
Number one, it's not very difficult subject. Number two, the film chose me. I did not choose the script. The script chose me. It came to me. And I did not see this script or film as a Hindi film, a Tamil film, or Telugu film. I saw it as a film. I saw it as a script. I really liked it. I thought it was my comfortable area, my turf, and I can play well. So I chose the script. And it was not that easy because of the language. But I think it's all fallen in place.
Thank you so much. My same question goes to the director. So why Dhanush? Considering if you have to change so many things, the trailer, we saw the trailer, it says a Tamil boy, born and brought up in Varanasi, grows up, it could have been with, there are language constraints there. Why would you choose it?
No, in fact, I was in search of this character for a long time, and I was meeting actors here also. They're quite talented actors and they can play this role. But at that point, I felt that they are not ready to play this character. And when I met Dhanush, I think on a first go, I realized when I saw his film, I realized that he's the character. He's the right actor for this character. That's it.
Dhanush. हेलो आनंद सर। मैं अनुप्रिया प्रभात खबर न्यूज़पेपर से। मैं जानना चाहूँगी कि बनारस का ही रांझना क्यों? और आपकी पहली जो फिल्म थी इससे पहले तनु वेट्स मन्नू भी यूपी बेस्ड थी एंड देन अभी भी बनारस, तो यूपी से खास लगाव क्यों?
मेरे लेखक वहाँ से आए हैं, दोनों फिल्में उन्होंने लिखी हैं। मैं खुद नॉर्थ से हूँ, तो अभी के लिए कुछ वक्त के लिए शायद हम वहाँ जाते रहेंगे, तो 1-2 साल में निकल आएंगे।
अच्छा, बनारस का रांझना क्यों? बनारस में ऐसी क्या चीजें लगी जो लाइक रांझना जैसी फिल्म वहाँ बेस किया?
मेरे पास इतना सारा है बोलने को, मैं अगर अभी बोलना शुरू करूँगा इस पर तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, पर उसके लिए ये 2 घंटे की फिल्म बहुत है। एक बार वो देखेंगे तो बात करने में ज़्यादा मजा आएगा।
Dhanush,
आपने साउथ की फिल्मों में भी काफ़ी रोमांस किया है, अब सोनम के साथ कर रहे हैं आप इस फिल्म में, तो कौन सा बेटर लगा आपको? मतलब किस कहाँ की लड़की पटाना ज़्यादा आसान है? यूपी की लड़की ज़्यादा पटाना आसान है या फिर साउथ की?
No girl is easy to impress. Every girl is tough. With my looks especially, it's even tougher. So, we don't operate like that, we don't think like that. It's very strange to me, your question. I'm very sorry, I don't understand your context.
मतलब आपने साउथ में भी काम किया, आप बॉलीवुड में ही कर रहे हैं, कहा जाता है बॉलीवुड लेट लतीफ़ी के लिए काफ़ी मशहूर है, तो कितना लेट होने के लिए अक्सर जो स्टार होते हैं वो लेट होते हैं सेट्स पे? आप 25 स्टार हैं फिर, लेकिन धनुष आप बताइए कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस? क्योंकि बॉलीवुड और हॉलीवुड ये टॉलीवुड काफ़ी डिफरेंट है, यहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें डिफरेंट है।
I'm only speaking about Ranjana set right now. That's the only Bollywood set I've been to. So everybody's on time. I'm not saying this just because I have to say about it. By God, everybody was on time. Sonam was on time. Everybody was on time. Work was, even I was really, I was warned that nobody comes on time, blah blah blah, and stuff. But surprisingly, everybody, when we were shooting in Banaras, we were shooting in different climatic conditions, difficult climatic conditions. But still, they were there at 5:30, 6, 6:30. They were all there on time.
आनंद जी इस फिल्म में अभय देओल भी हैं, लेकिन वो दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहे हैं, और क्या है वो, कहाँ पे हैं?
मैं इतना उनको छुपा के रखना चाह रहा हूँ, इसी वजह से नहीं दिखाई दे रहे हैं, वो जल्दी दिखाई देंगे।
या कह लें धनुष को ज़्यादा आप लाइमलाइट दे रहे हैं, इसकी वजह से शायद वो पीछे हट गए, ऐसा कुछ?
लाइमलाइट दे रहा हूँ, मुझे लाइमलाइट तो फिर अभय को देनी चाहिए, पर नहीं, वजह यह है कि कहानी जो कैरेक्टर्स को मांग रही है आपके सामने पहले लाना, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ, और मैं उसी तरह से अनफोल्ड कर रहा हूँ जिस तरह से मेरी फिल्म अनफोल्ड होगी। तो जब आप फिल्म अभी आप बहुत जल्दी अभय को भी देखेंगे और जब फिल्म में भी देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि ऐसा क्यों किया था।
Hi, this is Gaurav from News 24. The question goes to Dhanush as well as Sonam. You both can answer to the question, but I want Dhanush to answer first. When we saw the promo, there's a sequence in the promo where Sonam is standing on the balcony and she just shoot you, and you just take that bullet in your between the teeth and you just throw it out. So that how reminds us of the great Rajnikant. So did he see the sequence? And I mean, you showed him the sequence, and if you did, how did he react to it?
No, I'm seeing this. I saw this only yesterday, so I haven't showed it to him yet. And if it reminds him, then we all grew up watching his films, and it must have gone into my system without my knowledge. From this age, we've all grown up watching him on the silver screen, worshipping him. So definitely, maybe some influence was there. Probably I should not repeat it in the future. Thanks for it. I'll keep that in my mind.
हेलो, मेरा सवाल धनुष जी से है। उनका डांसिंग स्टाइल बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो हम लोगों को दूसरा प्रभु देवा देखने को मिलने वाला है।
No, that's ridiculous. Whatever movements I learn, it takes me a lot of time to learn. I'm a very poor dancer. Comparing me with him, he would have gotten heart attack now somewhere. It's an insult to Prabhu Deva ji. Please don't do it. I can bring in a lot of energy when I dance. That doesn't make me a good dancer.
Hi सोनम, मैं वैभव हूँ BBC से। लास्ट टाइम मैं आपसे मिला था तो आपने बताया था धनुष के कुक के बारे में।
हाँ जी, धनुष का कुक।
उसके बारे में सबको बताइए प्लीज। आज धनुष भी साथ हैं और जो दोस्ती आप लोगों ने ड्यूरिंग रांझना सेलिब्रेट करी, आप लोग दोस्त बने, उसके बारे में बताइए।
जी, for every, I'm saying it in English so that even Dhanush gets it, but we used to eat lunch in his van every day. Not because of friendship, but because of his cook. It's true. So me, Anand sir, Himanshu, Zishan, Ben, Swara, all of us used to sit in his van and eat South Indian food every day in UP for some strange reason. But it was, I mean, yeah. So we are talking about Dhanush's cook right now during Ranjana promotion.
धनुष, आपको साउथ का तो खाना आपका कुक बना के खिलाता था, वाराणसी का कोई खाना जो आपको स्पेशल लगा हो, कोई ऐसी डिश?
I like the aloo puri. They give it early morning, 7 o'clock in the cold weather. It was yummy. And rabdi rice. I loved it. It was brilliant.
And Sonam, आप?
मुझे तो सब कुछ पसंद है. चाट बहुत पसंद है मुझे तो खाना पसंद है. According to me, Anand sir put on it because I like the food. You know Anand sir? Yeah, I like eating in general, so yeah.
कृषिका मैम, आप एक वक्त पे 2 फिल्में शूट कर रहे थे, कभी वाराणसी जाते थे, कभी दिल्ली जाते थे, तो प्लीज उस पूरे दौर के बारे में अगर आप थोड़ा बताएं कि कौन कौन सी फिल्में थी, एक ये थी और एक इसके साथ.
Good evening everyone. I didn't want to do both the movies together, but it fell in place, and because of the ensemble cast of Bajate Raho, I had to shift from here and there, but my heart and soul was there in Ranjana. But I can't say that. both are really done. I have connected with Anandji very closely. So I love sitting with him because every time he would discuss a lot. I would run from here to there, but yes, both are my favorites. I can't say.
हेलो, मेरा सवाल कृषिका जी से है. आप ये फिल्म बनारस में बना रहे हैं और आपके साथ हीरोइन जो है वो स्टाइल आइकॉन है और हीरो रफेक टफ है और स्टोरी रांझना है, तो ये किस टाइप की लव स्टोरी है?
This kind of love story, I think you should watch it. It's very beautiful and it's very. I don't think so. I've seen such a beautiful script I've ever seen till now. For me, it is, and this movie is made from the heart. And I'm sure it's going to touch every audience also.
Thank you.
Sonam, talking of
सोनम, जिस तरह से धनुष जवाब दे रहे हैं, जितनी मासूमियत उनके जवाब देने के तरीके में सभी को महसूस हो रही है. अगर आप अपनी असल जिंदगी में कोई राजना ढूंढना चाहें तो क्या वो धनुष की तरह ही होना चाहिए?
जी, ये कैसे क्वेश्चन? ये शादीशुदा आदमी है, मैं कैसे बोल सकती हूँ? आदतें of course, honestly ऐसा है कि कोई अच्छा ही होगा, बट ऐसे तो हमें मिलते नहीं है बॉम्बे में, तो I think I'll have to go down to Tamil Nadu for that.
रांझना के प्रोमो के बाद में अनिल जी ने प्रोमो देखा है क्या रांझना का? अगर उन्होंने देखा है तो उनका क्या रिएक्शन है?
जी, उन्हें पसंद आया. मैं जो भी करती हूँ उन्हें पसंद आता है.
लेकिन कुछ खास कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया है उन्होंने?
जी, उन्होंने आनंद सर से बात की. मुझे वो तो सिर्फ धनुष के बारे में बातें करते रहते, तो मैंने उनको कहा कि मेरे बारे में कुछ कहो, तो इसे नहीं, पर धनुष इतना अच्छा है. तो ऐसे मेरे बारे में कुछ कहो, नहीं, पर धनुष इतना अच्छा है. तो ऐसे अच्छा ठीक है, तो रांझना चल जाएगी क्योंकि यही रांझना है.
Yeah, hi, Gaurav again from News 24. थोड़ी देर पहले जब इवेंट बाहर जब स्टार्ट हो रहा था तब एक सवाल पूछा गया था हम सभी से कि क्या किसी का पहला प्यार किसी का सक्सेस हुआ है. सो बेसिकली आप सभी से जानना चाहूँगा कि आप लोगों में से किसी का पहला प्यार सक्सेस हुआ है?
सिर्फ
और अगर नहीं हुआ है तो क्यों नहीं हुआ है?
आनंद सर, प्लीज यू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन.
नहीं, मैं सभी से जानना चाहूँगा.
हाँ, तो आप पहले.
यार, शादी को बहुत साल हो गए हैं, अब क्यों पूछ रहे हो ये सवाल? नहीं, बहुत अच्छा सवाल है. ये सोच के भी बनाया गया था कि हम पे आएगा, आ गया. मेरा तो रहा सक्सेसफुल. एकजुट चलता है ना.
सुनो,
Every time I fall in love is like the first time. So
मतलब अब तक कोई सक्सेस नहीं हुआ
अब तक सक्सेस स्टोरी नहीं हुई, but I'm still hopeful कि the next time I fall in love, it'll be like the first time it will succeed.
Dhanush,
I started acting when I was 16 years old. So I failed in Max. So my girlfriend left me. That's why my first love. It just so you made me emotional.
मेरा पहला प्यार तो जब मैं 4th क्लास में था तब हुआ था, तो उसको तो सक्सेसफुल होना ही नहीं था किसी भी हालत में।
hey, even you can answer.
I don't want to. That's fine.
नहीं
हाँ नहीं
धनुष पूरी फिल्म लिख डाली, इनका पहला प्यार क्या हुआ होगा सोचिए।
धनुष यहाँ पर सुमन, धनुष यहाँ देखिए। अभी हमने रांझना सॉन्ग देखा, उसमें आप कुछ साइन लैंग्वेज में कुछ एक्ट कर रहे हैं। आप कितने एक्सपर्ट हैं साइन लैंग्वेज में, और क्या एक्सपीरियंस है किसी गर्लफ्रेंड को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए कि आपने साइन कुछ अलग से साइन लैंग्वेज में उन्हें इम्प्रेस किया हो, कुछ ऐसी बातें शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
It's not sign language. I'm just expressing without talking. If that's sign language, I definitely not learned it. And you asked me if I did it in my real
Yes, आपने कभी in past?
Yeah, I've done it. I told somebody, I answered no. I've done all these things 10 years back. Yeah, I've done this, and I couldn't express this well. Though.
क्या उम्र थी उस समय आपकी? क्या एज क्या थी उस समय जब आपने वो इम्प्रेस किया?
I was 16 years old.
Okay, hi. मेरा सवाल धनुष और सोनम दोनों से है. You know, in the film, you following many ways to patao Sonam Kapoor. How did you patao your wife Aishwarya? And second, सोनम यही सवाल आपसे है कि तमाम तरीके से आपको धनुष ने प्रपोज किया है फिल्म में. रियल लाइफ में आपने हालांकि कहा आपके 5 भाई आपके साथ रहते थे, मगर किसी ने कभी सबसे वियर्ड प्रपोजल किसी ने किया हो तो कौन सा वियर्ड प्रपोजल था?
How I impress my wife?
Yes.
I'm still trying to impress her actually. She's still not that impressed with me since I spend very little time with her. But first impression, yeah, with my film only. She saw my film, she liked me. I'll marry you. Okay, nice. I'll also marry you. Some good looking girl loves me.
So, but I think it would be more difficult to impress Mr. Rajnikant than Aishwarya, right?
No, it was very easy to impress Mr. Rajnikant sir because he loves the art. So he really loved my film and he immediately connected with me. It's very easy to impress Mr. Rajnikant. Just be a nice human being, you can impress him.
And the same now Sonam question.
Any weird way someone's proposed to me?
Yes,
I
yes,
think?
yes, yes.
Someone wrote me a letter in blood in school, which really freaked me out. Nobody ever do that. Somebody is like written a 3-page letter in blood, which I'm sure they saw some Hindi film and they've copied. So I was like, this is not an original thought, first of all, and second of all, this is really weird and freaky. But yeah, that's the only one time that I've been proposed very weirdly.
Who was that guy?
I don't want to talk about it. Poor guy's married right now.
Last 2 questions, please.
Dhanush, the film looks very appealing. Your first film is going to create a box office, a traffic jam at the box office. Looks like. We've not seen the film. So most of the South Indian actors are coming down to Bollywood, you know. If you start getting offers, how will you strike a balance between the South films and Hindi films? Given a choice, which one will you opt for?
First of all, thank you so much for your compliment. Har Har Mahadev, hope it happens. And my priorities as such, it will clearly depend on the script. Like which script appeals the most to me, which script has challenges for me, which script can bring out the best from me. Definitely I'll go for that script. And I have not thought about it yet because it's very soon. I'm still waiting for Ranjana's release. And I will definitely be if like you said, if Anjana does well at the box office, I will definitely be doing one Tamil film and one Hindi film. Honest answer.
ये सवाल मेरा डायरेक्टर साहब से, सोनम से और धनुष जी से भी है। सबसे पहले सवाल आपसे सर कि रहमान साहब के म्यूजिक के बारे में बताइए, कितना उनको मुश्किल था इस फिल्म के लिए अप्रोच करना और उसके बाद वो माने कैसे इस फिल्म के लिए म्यूजिक देना?
मुश्किल तो बहुत था, पहले दिन से ही बहुत मुश्किल था। और मुझे स्क्रिप्टिंग के दौरान हिमांशु और मुझे तभी लग गया था कि अगर ये स्क्रिप्ट बनानी है तो एक और मजबूत कंधा लगेगा हम लोगों को। और मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि ये कुछ हद तक थोड़ी सी हमारे औकात से ऊपर जाती हुई फिल्म है, तो रहमान सर अगर आएंगे तो लाइफ थोड़ी आसान होगी हमारे लिए, स्क्रिप्ट को जस्टिस मिलेगा। उन्होंने वक्त लिया पर वो समझ पाए हम लोगों को कि हमको उनकी क्यों ज़रूरत है। फाइनली ही सेड यस।
सोनम, मसक अली, रहमान सर, रंजना, रहमान सर, कुछ है इस फिल्म में, इसके म्यूजिक में ऐसा जो आपके साथ कनेक्ट करेगा फिर से?
जी, दिल्ली 6 के टाइम आई थिंक when Rahman sir was doing the music, when Rahman sir gave me, I mean, I think he gave me a lease of life. A lot of people don't even know me as Sonam, they know me as Masakali. Especially when when I'm shooting in the interiors of India, they don't say Sonam, they say, hey Masakali, kahan ja rahi hai tu? So I think he gave me an identity with his music and with his song, with his melody, and he gives life. I think he adds life to everything he does because he's a true genius, he's a true master at his craft. I remember I met him at a party and he was so modest. He says, so what did you think of the music in Ranjana? I was like, I can't believe you are asking me for your opinion. It's such a modest and such a beautiful man. For someone like A.R. Rahman to say that, I was like, it's spectacular. I am just privileged that my second film, so early in my career, I'm doing, my second film is Organic Music is by you. And I think I'm just privileged and blessed that I have A.R. Rahman giving me music for my film.
धनुष, आपने पहले रहमान साहब के साथ किसी कमेंट फिल्म में किया है?
Just now I did it. The music is about to be launched in 3-4 days. Just now I did it. This would be the second film. Rahman sir is Ranjana, according to me. He's given so much. When you watch the film and then you watch the songs with the film, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Rahman sir is Ranjana. What I wondered about him is how, like Madam asked me, how he strikes the balance. When you listen to a Tamil song, it will sound like a Tamil song. When you listen to a Hindi song, it sounds like a Hindi song. I don't know how he achieves it. It's really, really tough. One should know both cultures by heart to bring out this kind of perfection in his heart. So it's unbelievable. And Sonam was right. We all knew her as a girl who dances with a pigeon on her head. So Masakali was that. He is really, I mean, there's nothing new to tell about him. We all know that he's fantastic.
But can I correct you? I feel Ranjana is Dhanush. And for Anand sir, would be a biggest compliment that you all know you as Kolavariti, most of them. So if you are known as Ranjana, it's the biggest compliment for Anand ji, I think.
जी, I think सिर्फ धनुष जो है वो रंजना बन सकता है. He's got the innocence. I am never politically correct, so I'm not going to give a politically correct answer. I think there's a reason that he's been cast in this film. There's a reason that the script shows him, as he very rightly says. I think there is nobody who has that spirit that is as clean over here. There's a lot of innocence, and at the same time there's a lot of love in the way he approaches everything. I'm just saying that I don't think anybody can be a Ranjana with so much conviction as Dhanush can.